and action. Nature is remarkable in having the ability to amazingly impress us without having the empathy to do so. So when we embarked on this adventure to take a hike to see this waterfall, we did not anticipate much. We walked along this myriad of pathways, from train tracks to over 400 steps, along the bank of a raging river to cross a dangling wooden bridge. And already, not only was our curiosity and interest piqued, the background played a steadily increasing crescendo as we marched closer and closer. Again, she overwhelms us. Like and subscribe, #mothernature. Off a day equals hello.